Youth on a Mission is a NGO, young NGO that deals with young people in the region of KZN. The organization is all for self-development, personal development for young people. It spans with projects all over KZN, as I've said. One of the districts in Durban South region of KZN is Umlazi, where we've adopted the area to community work, where we piloted projects in Umlazi. But mostly Youth on a Mission is all about developing young people in business, giving them business skills, helping them to have those basic necessities of life, skills of life, like alleviating their social ills, and also investing in young people as such. We need to invest in young people as an organization. We need to invest in their skills and their development. We have 3 pillars in the organization. These pillars are educating young people, equipping young people, and empowering them for a better life and a better future.
Uma ngabe useyingane usasesikoleni, it's better because uyakwazi ukuthi ngiyacela unikezwe, right? You can say nje ma ngiyacela okanye malume okanye baba ngiyacela then unikezwe. Uma usukhulile usuphumile esikoleni, you have to hustle. And adults must hustle, must work. And akumnandi ukusebenza. Yes, uyazi kungcono ukufunda kunokuyosebenza. I am telling you, once you reach the stage, you will know. Because you will have to hustle, you have to pay for bills, you have to know ukuthi ufunani, kumele ukhokhele ukudla, zonke lezi zinto. You have to pay your way out. You don't have to ask. So when you still have time to ask and be a child ukuthi uhlale esikoleni, make that time worth your while. And uyisebenzise, right?
The vision is to build active youth centers in KZN's regions, like the Durban South, the North Coast, the South Coast, even the inland, is to build active youth centers where we can reach young people and give them such skills where they can have a base where to grow and to be directed, to be guided, and to be mentored. So the greatest vision is to have these centers, these active youth centers, that will assist young people in going forward and building their lives.
We started as young people gathering together, and we saw a need in the community to impact the lives of other young people so that they can achieve their goals and achieve their dreams. We had projects since 2006 that we were running through churches and through the communities, where we used to bring young men together and mentor them and speak to them and motivate them. And we started doing programs at schools where we partnered with the schools so that we can get to the schools and speak to young people, like to inspire them and motivate them to reach their goals as they want to become people in future who can provide for themselves. And we deal with the social illnesses in the communities, whereby we go out to the communities and speak to young people again to inspire them. The other project that we have as an organization, we've adopted a hospital, which is Msheni Hospital, where we go there, and the name of the project there is called Madiba Commemorate, where we go to pediatric wards and spend time with kids and donate toys to them, and just spend time with them so that they can feel the love and the spirit of Christmas. The other project is we've adopted a home, that's where we're at right now, a Kanana old age home. We have adopted the home where we come and spend time with the elders. This year we came on the 18th of January. It's called the 67 Madiba. We came and we spent time with the old people, the grannies and the grandpas, and we donated some few things, some blankets to the home. We sat down with the manager, Mr. Mkize, and he told us about the running of the center, and we felt propelled to help because they are running at a deficit. So we felt prepared to help to raise funds for them so that they can get the things they want.
When Umlazi was built, there's a portion that was left for as a retirement place for the elderly when they retire. So as they grow older, they started getting sick and stuff. So there was no provision for that. So these ladies, from the it's called the Mothers Union from Kwamdlala, the parish that is there, Kwamdlala. They saw the need to look after them. I think it was 1974 or so. Then this place was built. It would house about less than 20 people. The first building was actually set. They spoke to people and they raised the council, Umlazi Council, Township Council. They raised 25,000, and the Rotary Club, Mazimtoti Rotary Club, they raised 40,000. So they started building, and then in '95 we got a funding, a grant in aid from the government to build it as a multi-purpose. The actual home, when it started, it was housing about 20 people. So after that, after the renovation and as it became as a multi-purpose, then the capacity has grown to 44. So at the moment we house 44 people, and then we have another branch within the same facility where we have 100 people, elderly, that we pick up every morning and take home every afternoon, where we look after them during the day when there's no one at home. You know, there was a concern with the minister, MEC Wesley, that all this abuse happened during the day when there's no one at home. So then she started a program, which is called luncheon clubs, or known as service centers, where the elderly would be taken from their homes when they are alone, brought to the center, looked after, and then in the afternoon when the children are back from school or whether the adults, other people are back from home, then they'll be taken back home. Though there are not financial assistance, in most cases not financial assistance, it's just assistance in terms of programs and also in terms of awarenesses like HIV and AIDS. There's a lot of the programs that we do. And we also have a program which we call the intergenerational program, where we want to integrate the elderly to the community, especially the young people. Since you know that young people, there's a sickness that attacks them. It's within the Alzheimer's, but we normally known as the dementia. So when they're demented, they will get up even in the middle of the night and walk. So when people see them with their pajamas or naked, they will say "Batagat." So that's how they end up getting hurt or abused at some point. So for those reasons, we do need to have awareness to the community. Hence, we have that program, intergenerational program, where we bring young people, not only young people and families, where we educate them around those areas. If I may say, for it to be successfully run, it would be something like 3 million. But at the moment, because we don't really have everything that we would want to see around here, it's spent about 2.7 million, 2,700,000 per year. And then we don't have that 2 million. So in a sense, we spend 2 million, 2.7 that we don't have. No, Youth in the Mission, the least I know about Youth in the Mission is the organization Yabantabasha. The young people who seek to help, empower other young people and also across the board. When it comes to relationship with them, they approach us that they need to do some help here around in terms of maintenance or any other things that are done around the home. And then during that period, we had some sort of interview where they discovered the need, which there is a great need financially. So, excuse me, that's how they came to know about my finances and all the needs that we have. So from there, we had engagement with them to an extent where they had a feeling they need to adopt a home as one of the projects that they'll be doing hence we spoke about the concept. So if I may recall just one incident, they came on Mandela Day. They brought some stuff together with blankets, also with the promise to make an awareness in terms of the home and the needs that the elderly has. So it's where the concept of making the concert came about. Those are the things that I can just remember offhand now. But yeah, it's an organization that's, as it's a youth in a mission, it's an organization for the young people who have the heart to help. I'm a member of the NPO Forum. So we actually are looking for people like them. So I would really urge people to support such organizations, especially this one. They've got so many initiatives that they've undertaken. This is the list I'm just mentioning because I want to talk about what's happening here rather than the rest of their projects. But they do have a lot of projects that they have.
So we decided to have a benefit concert for them coming up this year on the 12th of December here at Umlazi. So now we are trying to help this home so that they can cover up the deficit they had. That is what's the passion we have as young people, to say, no, young people can do something good to the community. As young people, we want to show other young people that we can do good, we can impact the community, we can impact the world outside. And that's what we are doing with this home as we are trying to organize this benefit concert for them.
As Youth on a Mission Social Club of Khayalethu, we have managed to raise funds to help students that are needy by buying them uniforms, and we also had leadership sessions as well as counseling. This project altogether has helped me to gain profound experience in mentoring other school kids, as well as gaining leadership skills to help me in the nearby future.
I'm the member of the social club, Youth on a Mission. I've been appointed as the treasurer, and I've gained personal skills, how to handle finance, how to keep the books of the social club. Being a part of the organization, it has developed me. We have helped so many children here in Khayalethu High School.
My relationship with the organization is that of being a mentor and a father to the young boys, and actually source funding for them and actually look after the projects that they do if they are started and they are finished. It is of a good cause that we abled people lesikwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke. We support initiatives anjenalezi for our succession, because ukuphumelela kwethu needs to be given to others as well. Baphumelele, which is our future, the youth. So sibalulekile ukuthi sikwenze, sinikeze youth isikhathi sokuthi ikwazi ukubonela kuthina at close range. Sithi impact with the things ezingaphakathi kuthina, ezivalelwe kuthina, zingaze zithole ithuba lokuthi zizithole seziqoqwe kanye nathi ngosuku lokuphela.
The aim of the organization is to see the alleviation of the criminal rates, the unemployment rates, and as well as social issues that lead to suicide in the community. So we'd love to see all these social issues that affect the young people in the country actually deteriorating because of the youth programs that we run in the organization, like our school tours where we deal with young people, and as well as projects such as these, as we are at the Kenana Old Age Home, where we want to assist them in running the benefit concerts and raising funds for them. Community projects is what we do. Projects with young people is what we do, and we want to see the province as well as the country move forward.
As an organization, we as young people, we don't have that power to do the things that we want to do in the community. So we still need people from business sector, we still need people from government, even people from the community to help us do these things that we want to achieve. And we really thank for the people. We thank people who supported us from the beginning, people who were there in the projects that we were doing, people like Pastor Kama, and people like Pastor Ndlovu, those people who were there like on our projects, who showed us support. We would like to thank them, because those are the people who push us, and those are the people who mentor us. So we are looking for those kind of people to come and help us along the way as we are doing this project. We still need that help, because this is not for us. This is for the generation. We want to leave a legacy as this generation, for the generation to come, to continue to help people and help the community at large.